Whew. All right, so I am down, going back into the municipal building or town hall or whatever you want to call this place, and I'm going to pick up my approved construction permit so we can start breaking ground, we can start knocking trees over and getting ready to build this building. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I got the paperwork. That pink one is my residential building permit. So I need to get me a permit box apparently, which I expected that, and set it up at the front of the construction site, which is my house. And they said after I get it done being clear off the site and get it prepped and ready for concrete, I have to call in and have an inspector come out and inspect the site before we pour concrete. After we pour concrete, then they come out and inspect the concrete. Then they can put the building up, and then they come out and inspect the building. So I'm not done with the old city hall yet, or inspection office, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, just this inspection permit, or this building permit, cost me $124.40. So just keeping tabs on everything. So far, my zoning permit or zoning compliance form, whatever that thing was, that cost me $60. So I'm currently now $184 into paperwork. And I feel like this is only the beginning. All right, guys, so I am out here behind the house. Brought my little mini excavator up here. We're gonna start knocking down all these little trees. We got Logan on point. What's up, Logan?
What's up, guys?
Yeah. I think I had showed you guys before, but see where the 4 pink flags are? This is the front right corner, the back right corner, and then the front left, and where's the back left? Back left, right there. So we're gonna clear out this whole entire area right here, and then we're gonna go maybe like a car width over there, a car width over there, and then a car width in the back, just to give us some extra room around it. I'm not gonna be dropping that big tree. I got a guy coming to look at it and see about dropping that one, and then also have a really big one right here. Yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. Oh, by the way, Best Buy drop is happening right now, Logan.
Oh, it's gone, bro. It's gone.
It happened for like 30 seconds, and
Sold out in 40
please wait in your cart while these are sold out.
Literally gone.
All right, guys. Oh, I'm gonna set up a time lapse. Yeah, let me go get my tripod. All right, so current situation, we are burning the brush. Logan has cleared out a majority of the area. There's still a couple of the big trees, but it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, that's not good if the rain sets in. Here is where the garage is going. We're gonna have to scrape all this topsoil off here later on, but still gonna go around this a little bit and clean up the sides. And then tomorrow or Monday, depending on how much rain we get, I'm gonna bring my Bobcat home and scrape off all this topsoil, and then we'll build it back up with some good, you know, clay or something that'll pack in. If we need to, might bring some crush and run. How's it going, Logan?
Not too bad. Everything's coming out.